Jennifer. Jennifer in the little doggy cage. Look at her. So damn skinny.
Yo, put it on YouTube.
Put it on YouTube. World's skinniest girl. Look at her. She's in a what? Half girl, half dog. She's a female dog. Oh my god. Remember? Look at that.
You are fat.
She in there with her dog too. Look, there's no way to get out, no way to get in. Well, she can get out, but
I'm comfortable.
You're comfortable? You really? You comfortable?
You're gonna scare my dog.
Oh man.
Come on, girl.
I like dogs. Small dogs. Why is that?
Come on, puppy!
We're gonna flip it over.
You're gonna scare my dog. She'll never get it again.
She don't do anything anyway.
No, please.
Try grabbing his leg.
No, please stop! Please!
Shut it
Oh, yo, put it upside down.
No! No!
Yeah.
My neck!
Your neck is alright.
No, it's not. Stop! Please! I can't!
Yo,
Get out of the way.
No, put it the other way. Put it like this.
She's gonna go right there.
Stop! No, please, no, please! Please! Ouch!
Can't pick it up like it's 2 weeks.
Stop, my dog's getting scared. She doesn't back in the cage.
You just had an initiation.
You caught it initiation.
Y'all still recording?
My dad did that to all our dogs. He spun them until when they walked. Buddy, you're so lucky you're not in here.
Oh, never mind. No, he didn't.
Get her out of there, the
Get out.
dog.
I got you.
Say where's Sandy?
Stop!